This man can draw an almost perfect picture of the Radcliffe Camera using nothing but a typewriter. What makes this possible is not only his talent, but also the effort he puts into it, because James Cook, this man in question, has spent nearly every day and every hour for the past 11 years drawing with a typewriter. He has perfected his skills in typewriter art, mastering how to create different colors, densities, and tones, and which symbols to use to represent different objects. Thanks to this, he can draw anything from human portraits to landscapes.